There's a money trick so powerful that Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. The rich use it to get richer, the banks use it against you, and most people sleepwalk past it their entire lives. It's not luck, it's not lottery, it's compound interest. And if you don't master it, I guarantee it will master you. Let's keep it stupid simple. You put $100 in an account with 10% interest. After 1 year, it's 110. That's normal. But here's the plot twist. In year 2, you don't just earn on the $100, you earn on the 110. That means 121. Year 3, 133.10. That's not just stacking money, it's money multiplying itself. Interest on interest, growth on growth. It's like planting one apple seed and suddenly the tree grows apples that plant more trees. Now, imagine that forest in 30 years. That's compound interest. And here's the part that shocks everyone. You don't need a fortune to make this forest grow. You just need something even more valuable. Time. Let me show you why time beats money every single time. Meet Alex and Ben. Alex invests $100 a month starting at 20. Ben waits until 30, then invests double, $200 a month. Who wins by 60? It's Alex, the one who started earlier, with half the money. Why? Because compound interest rewards the early, not the rich. Time is the accelerator. 10 extra years is like strapping a rocket to your savings. Miss that window, and you're chasing the bus forever. But wait, if time is the rocket, then there's something else that makes the rocket explode. It's not obvious, it's not even fair. And once you see it, you'll understand why compound interest feels like cheating. Here's the mind bender. Compound interest grows exponentially. That means in the early years, it feels like nothing's happening. You invest, you wait, you yawn. Then suddenly, the numbers start leaping like they're on steroids. Think about it. $10,000 at 10% for 10 years is $26,000. Not bad. But for 30 years, $174,000. Same money, same rate, just more time, and the numbers go insane. That's exponential growth. The curve that turns meh into holy crap. But here's the catch. This magic curve has enemies, and if you're not careful, they'll quietly eat your future alive. Want to know who the villains are? Stick with me. Enemy number 1, debt. Credit cards use compound interest against you. That $1,000 at 20% interest becomes $6,000 if you ignore it. Same formula, but now you're on the losing side. Enemy number 2, fees. If your investment fund charges high fees, they're clipping your wings before you can fly. A 2% fee might not sound like much, but over decades, it can steal hundreds of thousands from you. Enemy number 3, your impatience. Pulling money out too early kills the snowball before it becomes an avalanche. So how do you flip the script? Make compound interest your ally instead of your enemy. The answer is simple, but most people never do it. Here's how you actually put this into practice. Step 1, start now. Doesn't matter if it's $20 or $2,000. Time is the multiplier, not perfection. Step 2, automate it. Treat investing like paying rent. You don't forget to pay rent. Don't forget to pay yourself. Step 3, leave it alone. Compound interest is like a crock pot, not a microwave. Set it, forget it, let it cook. Do this with index funds, retirement accounts, or even a simple high-yield savings account. The vehicle doesn't matter as much as the habit. And here's the kicker. Compound interest doesn't care about your excuses, your job title, or your salary. It only cares about whether you use it or ignore it. So the only question is, which side of the formula will you live on? Compound interest is either the quiet millionaire factory running in the background of your life, or the invisible debt monster slowly draining you. The choice is yours. If this video just made you think twice about your money, do 2 things. Smash the like button so YouTube spreads this, and subscribe so you don't miss the next strategy to build wealth. And drop a comment right now. Are you letting compound interest work for you or against you? Because how you answer that might just predict your future.